Hi everyone, and I hope everybody is doing well. And thank you for very much for you guys studying Tibetan, and I'm really happy to teach you whatever I know. And here I like to explain a little bit about the Rata Chupshi because we have here a little bit confusing pronunciation because the pronunciation are very similar. So that way I like to clarify each of letter which are same pronunciation. So here I put the same color. Here I have a red color. Let's say karatata ta ta taratata paratata karatata taratata paratata. So these three I put the red color, which means is same pronunciation. So that way it easier for you guys. And second, I have a green color. Karatata, taratata, paratata. So this same color, which are same pronunciation. Karatata, taratata, paratata. And I have here blue color. Garetata, taretata, paretata. So these three blue color are same pronunciation. So I know you guys have confusing because they are very similar pronunciation. So that's why I want to make a short video to explain you guys to make easier. And I hope you guys this make very little bit easier to understand. Okay, thank you. See you next time.